Look, Shiva, that elephant.
Wow. It's amazing. And have a look at that naughty monkey.
Had a great day today.
Loved and enjoyed the jungle.
As we had discussed before, now I am expecting a great presentation from Shiva and Laura on the topic they have decided. Come on, dear, and take your space.
Yes, we are ready for an impressive presentation. Come on, Laura.
Let's rock.
Me and Laura had a nice time in jungle, which gave us an idea to decide our topic for the presentation.
Animals are a large and incredibly diverse group of organisms, making up about 3/4 of the species on Earth, being corals and jellyfish to ants, whales, elephants, and, of course, humans.
So we opted for animal cell as our presentation topic. A cell is the fundamental unit of life. It is defined as the smallest, basic unit of life that is responsible for all of life's processes. Cells are also known as the building blocks of life.
A group of similar cells assemble together to form tissues. Eventually, collection of tissues group together to perform common function, form an organ. Functionally related organs join together to form organ systems. Multiple organ systems with different functions integrate together to form an organism. Cell is the basic membrane-bound unit that contains the fundamental molecules of life, and of which all living things are composed. A typical structure of an animal cell includes organelles, cytoplasmic structures, cytosol, and cell membrane.
The interior of the animal cell is organized into many specialized compartments, or organelles, each surrounded by a separate membrane. Each kind of cell organelle performs a special function.
Animal cells have different cell organelles that perform specific functions. They are as follows. Plasma membrane. It is a semi-permeable membrane surrounding the animal cell. It is made up of lipids embedded with proteins and carbohydrates that regulate the entry and exit of nutrients.
The nucleus is a highly specialized organelle that serves as the information processing and administrative center of the cell. This organelle has two major functions. It stores the cell's hereditary material, or DNA, and it coordinates the cell's activities, which include growth, intermediary metabolism, protein synthesis, and reproduction through cell division.
Mitochondria. Mitochondria are the animal cell's semi-autonomous organelles. They have their own genetic material called mitochondrial DNA.
Mitochondria are involved in energy synthesis and are the main power generators, converting oxygen and nutrients into energy.
Endoplasmic reticulum. It is a tiny tubular structure found in the cytoplasm.
The endoplasmic reticulum bearing the ribosomes on its surface is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is involved in protein synthesis and secretion.
The endoplasmic reticulum, which doesn't bear ribosomes, is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SEER. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes lipid.
Ribosomes. It is a granular-shaped structure composed of RNA. It is the site for synthesis of protein.
Golgi apparatus. An organelle that is comprised of stacks of cisternae is called a Golgi apparatus. The collective term for all the Golgi apparatus within the cell is called the Golgi complex. It modifies proteins and fats built in the endoplasmic reticulum and prepares them for export to the outside of the cell. It is an important site for the formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Lysosome. It is a membrane-bound vesicular structure formed due to the packaging process of the Golgi apparatus. These are rich in hydrolytic enzymes and can digest carbohydrates, proteins, lipids and nucleic acids. Lysosomes break down cellular waste products and debris from outside the cell into simple compounds, which are transferred to the cytoplasm as new cell-building materials.
Centrosome. It is an organelle consisting of two structures known as centrioles. They are self-replicating and help in organizing cell division. They are present in animal cells only.
Vesicles. A vesicle is a structure within or outside a cell which forms naturally. Vesicles perform a variety of functions and are involved in metabolism, transport and temporary storage of food and enzymes. They can also act as chemical reaction chambers.
Cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like structure found within the cell membrane. It consists of cell organelles and allows them to move around the cell. Although cytoplasm may appear to have no form or structure, it is actually highly organized.
It was a great presentation. Well organized like the animal cell. Awesome, dear.